You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, guys. So, as you have heard all across social media, we're working on new merchandise. We just partnered with a new company. We thank you guys for coming to the channel. We ask that you check out our new designs. We've been working really hard with this company. We're really excited about them. We want you to partake in them. There'll be beanies for the holidays. There'll be new shirts already up there. We'll do a whole bunch of new products. So once again, even if you don't buy any merchandise, please at least subscribe to the channel. It always helps us. We got a team of people now, so any support we get, we thank you guys. The unofficial Dollywood cookbook is going to be our first cookbook for the recipe roulette, and this is how it works. We're randomly going to stop, add a recipe, ready, stop. Right there. What is that recipe?
It's her peach cobbler.
Peach cobbler. Hey. All right, quick little rundown. Your basic ingredients for our cobbler. But I'm sure this one's going to be delicious. Because Dolly never makes anything bad. Now, this is the type of cobbler you'll get at Dollywood in the park, okay? That's what the cookbook is all about. And we've gone to Dollywood like we would go to Disneyland for the holidays. So it's kind of our thing on the East Coast. But let's run down. Stick of butter. These are peaches. We got flour, sugar, milk, lemon juice. The goodness is the cinnamon and the nutmeg. That's going to make the dish. If you feel like putting a little extra in, go right ahead. Get some vanilla extract and some salt, baking powder, and I think that's it. Oh, cornstarch. And that's it. Alright? Recipes down below. Don't worry about writing it down. Okay, you're going to start off by preheating your oven to 375. Right now our oven's warm. Take the butter and cube it all throughout this 9x13 pan. Okay? We're going to place this pan in the oven just to melt the butter. Watch carefully. You don't want to brown the butter. Alright? So melt the butter and we'll start mixing the other ingredients while it's melting. Alright, first put in the flour. Put in the brown sugar. A little clumpy. Put in the nutmeg and the cinnamon. Salt and baking powder. And put in the white sugar. Let's grab a fork and mix the dry ingredients first before we add the milk and the vanilla. I put the vanilla in with the milk, so we'd pour it in together. Go ahead and stir that up and get that all mixed up. Remember, this pan's hot. Grab it with a pot holder, okay? You melted all the butter. We're now going to gently pour the batter over this. Yeah. So, don't stir it. Gently just pour it in. All over the pan. Then we're going to use the same mixing bowl to do the rest of the recipe. So just one bowl. How cool. Alright, so let's pour it in right now. So I got all the peaches in here. I'm going to sprinkle some sugar on that. The brown sugar is very soft. Gonna break it up a little bit so it'll sprinkle. And then sprinkle that on. Alright. Throw a little lemon juice in there. Now this recipe is, it says right here, It's at Aunt Granny's restaurant. If you want to try it at the park, go to Aunt Granny's restaurant. Last ingredient, a little bit of cornstarch, spread it around. Okay, gently toss this mixture. Get everything sweetened and everything wonderful and everything cornstarched, because we're just going to gently let this fall on top of the batter. Hold on, almost done. You're just gently going to shake out. There you go. Alright, the oven's been preheating at 375. Bake for 35 minutes. Set it on the counter, let it cool for 20 minutes. Okay guys, this came out beautiful. Let's just give it a try. Okay? And I'll let you know if it's any good. How can this not be good by what we put in it, right? Let's scoop it, we'll grab some ice cream, put it on top, and get ready to go. This recipe roulette is finished. Episode 1 of Recipe Roulette. Let's give it a try. See what it tastes like. It's really sweet. Let's try some ice cream. Sure, that's sweet too. The ice cream kind of balances out the dessert. The dessert's a home run, but you gotta like sweet. Or I would cut all the sugar in half. But it came out beautiful, it brought beautifully. It's the same stuff they serve at Dollywood. So if you're at the park, check out the restaurant, ask for the peach cobbler, boom. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you later. And let me know if you try this, alright?